Everything that I've asked them to do, they've done competently, and I'm very happy with their service. I had a gas leak here at the house, and after the utility had come in and turned my gas off, they said the next thing you have to do is find a plumber to fix the problem. I called, they were there the next day, which was obviously pretty important because I had no gas service to the house. Came in, covered his shoes so he doesn't track anything in the house. They spent a lot of time here, found what the problem was, and then gave me a couple options as to how we could solve that problem. That was a very simple process. They showed up when they were supposed to, they got the job done, and they cleaned up after themselves. I certainly would have no reservations about recommending that they get in contact with Abacus for that.